Bausch & Lomb manufactures an array of lens materials for a wide range of challenging visual conditions. See what goes into making our Boston materials, and you'll discover why it's a brand practitioners and patients put their trust in. At our Wilmington, Massachusetts facility, we use a careful multi-step manufacturing process to create the quality Boston GP lens materials that they demand. Before lenses make their way onto patients' eyes, they're lathed from Boston GP lens material buttons. These buttons are created from polymers. Most gas-permeable lenses are made of oxygen-permeable polymers that contain silicone and fluorine. A polymer is a substance which has a molecular structure built up mainly or completely from a large number of similar units, monomers, bonded together. These polymers are used for contact lens manufacturing because they're transparent. They have a refractive index suitable for bending light, allow oxygen to pass through to the eye surface, and they're easy to clean. The first step in creating Boston materials is synthesizing and purifying chemical monomers. Many chemical monomers contain inhibitors, additives designed to keep the monomer stable and restrict its ability to engage in a chemical reaction. But in GP material manufacturing, a chemical reaction is initiated, so the inhibitor level must be reduced as much as possible to help ensure an efficient reaction with consistent physical properties and very low levels of unreacted residual components. This is done through a purification process to remove these specific additives and achieve high purity. Results are confirmed through analytical testing. Inhibitor levels must meet Bausch & Lomb's requirements for the monomer to be used in manufacturing Boston materials. The second step involves the precision blending of these complex formulations. Next, custom chambers are prepared for the rod molds to be inserted. Automated equipment ensures accurate and repeatable mold filling to create the rods of lens material that will be cut into buttons. At Bausch & Lomb, we've developed our own process using proprietary equipment to control the polymerization reaction kinetics to help ensure the consistency and quality of the final material. The reaction vessels, developed by Bausch & Lomb engineers, enable precise control of heating, cooling, pressure, and flow parameters throughout the reaction. All parameters are continuously monitored, and the entire reaction is conducted in an inert, controlled environment. A unique final application of gamma irradiation completes the reaction, reducing the level of residual monomers and extractables and enhancing the cross-linking of the polymer chains. This results in a material that machines nicely and remains highly stable as a finished lens. Next, highly skilled technicians use centerless grinding to precisely control the diameter of the lens material rods before they're sliced into buttons. Each rod is inspected to ensure that its diameter is to exact specifications. The rods are then sliced into GP lens material buttons using automated equipment. CNC lathing, which stands for Computer Numerical Control, is used to create scleral and custom lens buttons. A polishing process known as lapping is performed to ensure thickness and parallelism of the lens buttons. Each GP lens button undergoes a 100% visual inspection to ensure its cosmetic quality. Then, each Boston material lens button is imprinted with its respective brand name. All product batches are thoroughly analyzed to confirm that all physical property characteristics of the materials are consistent throughout the batch and meet all required specifications. The result? A high-quality material with less than a 0.06% complaint rate. Having consistent physical properties helps ensure that all Boston materials perform in a reliable and predictable manner throughout the entire lens manufacturing process. Buttons are then packaged and prepared for shipment to our authorized Boston labs. It's all a part of Bausch & Lomb's commitment to reliably deliver quality, competitively priced materials and products with the outstanding customer service and support you'd expect from a company that's been around since 1853. The Boston Materials brand maintains a global footprint, with manufacturing in the United States backed by sales and technical support teams in North America, Europe, and Asia, supporting a large network of authorized labs in more than 35 countries. As we celebrate our 50-year anniversary, We're not only looking back on our success, we're looking forward to the future and the many exciting ways we have in store to serve you over the next 50 years.